In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to set up your Apple Card on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, make sure you have already applied for an Apple Card and got approved. If you haven't, you will need to apply through Apple's official process and wait for approval emails before continuing. Once you are approved, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Now click on the plus icon given at the top right. Now your iPhone may automatically detect your Apple Card setup. If you see Apple Card found for you, tap on it and press continue. You will then need to verify using Face ID or your iPhone passcode. After that, your Apple Card will begin adding to your wallet. This may take a few moments, so just wait patiently. Once it's ready, tap continue again and choose whether you want it as your default payment card. Next, you will be asked if you want to enable it on other Apple devices like your iPad or Mac. You can choose to allow it or skip it and add later. After that, confirm your settings and tap done. You may also get the option to request a physical Apple Card, which you can accept or skip depending on your preference. Once everything is set up, you can use your Apple Card by double-clicking the side button and authenticating with Face ID whenever you are ready to pay. And that's it, you have successfully set up your Apple Card on your iPhone. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.